Yes, people. We're out at it again, you know, fishing again, man. Me and Daren again, man.
Yeah, man.
Yes, Daren. Where's the Daren?
So we're gonna try to get some king mackerel there now.
King mackerel. We're gonna try to get some
Jack.
king mackerel,
Tarpon.
tarpon,
Whatever one bite.
everything, whatever one bite.
Whatever one bite.
So we're up on the airport road going up, right up at the gypsum place here. So a man just knocked down a kingfish and a tarpon from morning still. So we're gonna see what we can catch now, our time now, you know.
They are like an evening run.
Yeah, like an evening run, you know. So see the place there now, yeah. Everybody know that place here already, you know, not true? Yeah, we are set up now, see that, yeah. We are doing well. Yeah, we are set up, see that? Yeah. I'm gonna tell us a man, so the ship would hold the beat and then I catch fish, man, for real. I carry on my gaff, you know, because a man said I run in places sometime, you know. Anyhow, people, I set up the line and stuff, so I'm still get back to you, alright? We're gonna show you where we hook up later on.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so you know, sir, as we tell you now, can't keep on the GoPro for long because the battery them not good. I have two battery and them sold up and can't go back in that GoPro, so one after the battery I have now, I go and see if I can get the footage for me, you know. So if you don't see with me, alright? Or if anybody can sponsor me two GoPro battery, that would be nice. Who can sponsor me? Daren, yes, sir. Anybody can sponsor me?
Man must can sponsor.
Come on, somebody sponsor me two GoPro Euro 9 battery, man. And let us get the ball running. Or rolling. Anyhow, the beat them right the same. Yeah, anyhow, people, I get busy now, alright? So come back. So what's the now shop I can cast? So people, right at this little area now, here's some rods I cast. I have a lure there, I cast up the lure. Little lure casting I do today now. Hopefully we can hook up something. Yeah, look how far I gone, man. Next string. That far, brother. I'm a line almost done already. Alright, so see that now, people. First cast out, so the bait them right in front of Daren down there, so see them right over there, so. Yeah. Yeah, man, good. Yeah. Yeah, somebody mash up a tarpon scale there, you know. Like them bridging down me just here a while ago. Mash up a tarpon already. I know people will soon come back, right? I go and cast and stuff because yeah, the battery not too wonderful as me tell you, so you know, so I have to just turn it off until me get the hook up, alright? So I got to change the lure now because yeah, them on the ice and thing, you know. So I don't have to leave with it. I change up my lure. I put on a lure when I feel like I would have bite. Because I don't want to go too going with nothing. I want something. I want to put on something when I feel like I'm going to bite. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, this look more like it. Alright, so see it here, people. I just feel like something would bite this better, you know? What do you think? Yeah, man. Heavy, I do. I think I want a heavy. Alright, let's see how far it can go. Whoa, it can. Fish on, brother. You gone? Still on. Fish on, brother. Fish on. Hold him the Daren. Maroon. Oh, look at Gardo. Hold him, brother. Hold him. Oh, it's a king mackerel. King mackerel. Bring him in. Slide him in, right in, slide him in, Daren. Yes, man. Daren. King has.
You not even feel like a king has. I'm small. I'm a job.
Papa, from boss line so easy. I just boss a wire burst and a wire burst.
He cut it, man. He mix it up, you know.
Wash him off. Wash him off. Hold it. Yeah, don't hold this in it. Release. Off that part. Fish on every time. Daren, first king mackerel. Nice one, nice size. Dinner. Alright, wait, but if you carry the ice box, you'll drop them in it, you know. You want to carry up for the car? Alright, wait, just carry in the car and release it and come back. Just release it and carry about this. Just for retie it.
Tie back, you know, just have more.
Oh, you have more? Alright. The ice box can't carry like my one though with the angle, you know. Alright, Daren. That's a one for Daren, you know, yeah? My time now. Yeah, man, carry it. It's better. Because we are full it, you know. Yes. Daren, hold one already now, so my time now for hold one. Yeah, so king mackerel travel this place more time, you know, so it's just back in the days I used to catch a wolf for king mackerel. Me and Kevin, you know, we used to catch king mackerel here, so, you know, so it's a place where I know so king mackerel travel, you know. It's just that never normally try it out because, you know, some reason the water sometimes too clear, but now it's clear and I still get hooked up same way. Anyway, I'm still try it out now because I guess so we don't have another choice, so we have to just try it out now, you know. Yeah. So, I don't hook up my own yet, you know. Daren hooked up his own not too long ago. I don't hook up my kingfish yet. Still a third same way, still kind of early still now. But I hook up my own now. Come on, kingfish, ready deal it. Kingfish, come on. Call in the kingfish, call in the kingfish. Come in, kingfish. So far, I'm choke this man. Far out this, you know. So the king has them, you know. So, I'll try another spot. Same airport road, you know, but I move from this spot. I'll try next spot, yeah. So I lift up all the box of the fish net, yeah. Yes, man. Yeah, man. I'll hook up him kingfish. See if we can hook up one down the line there. There, so keep watching. We're coming back to you. Yes, man, keep watching. Stay tuned. But I'm a race on the road, you know. Whoa. Alright, people, this is the next spot. I'm gonna come and say, boy, I'm gonna try and see if we can hook anything right here, so. Yeah, right here, so I'm gonna try and see if we can hook anything. Kingfish or mackerel or anything at all, you know? Yeah, right here, so, right here, so. Alright, where's my catch jack? That's the board, right? So we have to go down now and go down, yes, so they can climb in the valve, you know? Soldier thing. Yeah. I set up the line and everything from up here, so set up the line. Yeah. I'll set up the line and everything like this. So now I go down there now. Alright, so let's see if we can climb down on them thing now. How shall I climb up on? I want to climb up on. Climb up and down on that one here. Me. Down upon the rocks. Yeah, yeah. Right here says a good spot. Water look clean though. Water well clean. Well clean, man. Water well clean. Alright guys, so this is a new spot, right? We're going to check out the spot for a little while and then if anything we move again. So stay tuned, alright? So we'll come back to you again. Boy people, you come like a pack up time, you know. So time for pack up and see the sun has set now and everything. Look on the mountains over there, so it look pretty. Pretty man, look on the sunset on the mountains and look nice, eh? So Daren alone hook up a kingfish today, you know. So I don't know already, say my time not come yet, you know. Come on, if you catch my kingfish out here, so. Since I start fish back out up on this side, I'm gonna catch a kingfish yet, but I'm gonna catch a jack. I'm gonna catch a top on it on this side. You used to catch them before, you know, in the earlier days, you know, but since the road fixed up on them stone and thing come right here, so I'm gonna catch them more. So catch a whole snapper out here, so to whole heap of yellowtail snapper and mutton snapper right here, so. But you know, I fish here from them picks up the road and things, so just start back now and catch my jack. So I'm gonna go and fish now, continue until I catch a kingfish on a top and seal the deal. But today, it's not my day today, it's Daren day today, you know. Yeah, so you don't know already. But I give about another hour or half an hour and then I pack up and leave, right? So if I catch anything, I'm gonna let you guys. I can't run the camera so long. So you don't know already. So we'll come back to you, alright? Yeah, good idea that I got me, you know. One more regular one. Anyhow peeps, see the now night I come down, you know, sun gone in, so I wrap it up now, yeah. Daren alone hook up today, you know, but you know so it go, fishing overall, you know. This is not my catching day. So anyhow people, take it easy, alright? And always remember to like, share and subscribe. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Fish on every time.